We all have creativity within us, whether we realize it or not. We celebrate the imagination and artistry around us, and we embrace moments of connection. But what about our creativity? Imagine an easy way to be creative in your own life. A shared creative experience where each step is a celebration of achievement. There's a clear path to creative success, where each accomplishment inspires your creative confidence and excitement.
Yes.
But the best part is when your creativity becomes a gift in the lives of others.
I have something for you.
The Kits collection by Stampin Up can help you create with confidence. Visit stampinup.com/kits to choose the kit that inspires you.